Хорошо, Ian. Your country is
Wales.
Wales.
Great Britain.
Wales is Англию хайка, в общем. Англию, Дюн, по Европе, Казань, Москва, Питер, Инстан, Гала, Ухар.
Hi, I'm Stephen from Wales in Great Britain, and I started my trip on June the 16th from England, rode through Spain, France and the rest of Europe, Denmark and then Norway, right to the top of Norway, Sweden, Finland, then into Russia. People said I shouldn't come to Russia because everybody was going to hate me, but they've been fantastic. Spent 3 weeks riding through Russia to Kazan and then Volgograd, then Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, back into Russia, Chelyabinsk, Saratov, back to Volgograd, and now I'm here in Grozny. I always wanted to come and have a visit.
How long time you are in?
Altogether it's about 3 months, 3 to 4 months. I think I've probably done about 20,000 kilometers since I left England in June. And everything's gone really well and everybody's been great.
Thank you. Вот это его мотоцикл. Вот на этом мотоцикле он приехал с Великобритании.